Revitalization of Dharni Por is a unique initiative by Mahila Housing Trust based in Ahmedabad. It is an unprecedented initiative to revitalize the condition of the heritage precincts of Ahmedabad, the first UNESCO World Heritage City of India. Dharni Por is located on a hillock known as Asha Bhilno Tekro. The structures are around 100 to 300 years old with exquisite carvings and sustainable design solutions. With rapid urbanization, MHT observed that the private as well as public areas had undergone significant deterioration, raising a dire need for restoring, reorganizing, and saving this living heritage to provide better quality of life and infrastructure.
Way back in 1314, we had to restore and conserve Srevani Haveli, which is situated in Dharni Por. And we also received a TDR certificate from AMC. This got me thinking that why we should not help the other community members to also avail of this benefit from AMC.
MHT conducted a socio-economic survey where 84% of the interviewed households' income amounted to less than 15,000 rupees per month. 78% of the respondents mentioned that they struggled with basic services including water, sanitation and solid waste management. Lack of awareness of the heritage value as well as financial and technical resources were the primary factors contributing to the continued dilapidation of the heritage structures. MHT believes in making the community and especially the women of the community the agents of change.
In the case of Dharni Por, we constituted a community action group of about 15 women leaders. We undertook exercises like asset mapping. We also shared the building plans and designs. Vehicle arrangement, parking arrangement, etc. was co-created jointly.
Several workshops were conducted with the CAG women leaders, other community members and AMC officials to arrive at a common vision. The 6 objectives for the revitalization of Dharni Por that emerged were: 1. Generating awareness for heritage value. 2. Generating livelihood opportunities for the community women by leveraging the heritage value. 3. Improvements in public areas. 4. Repairs and restoration of private structures. 5. Implementing and influencing TDR policy. 6. Sustainability and replicability of this project. Special workshops were conducted to demystify the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation's Heritage Transfer of Development Rights (TDR) policy. MHT's initial interventions included the restoration of bird feeders, Chaklini Khambi, a public well, and a private rainwater harvesting tank. Heritage walks for children led by the community women were quite a success. A stretch of 250 meters from the entrance of the port was selected for a pilot public area improvement project in collaboration with AMC and CEPT University. It was observed that uneven street surfacing, insufficient street lights, unorganized parking, and lack of walkways posed difficulties for the residents. Dysfunctional fire hydrants and potentially dangerous cables dangling from the buildings were additional challenges.
So the idea was that when we are designing this main stretch, what is the narrowest point and also the emergency vehicles can move? That was our biggest clue. So the whole Dharni Por design was done in such a way that the movement area was kept about 2.5 meters wide, and then the non-movement area, which is reserved for all the other activities such as people gathering, people parking, there may be some also vending. So all that non-movement activities was concentrated in that non-movement area.
The proposed design was vetted by different departments at AMC. MHT then entered into an MOU with AMC for execution of this public area improvement work.
CSR ફંડિંગથી આ પ્રોજેક્ટ કરવાનો હોવાથી CSR એજન્સીઝને ફંડિંગ એજન્સીઝને જ આ સમજાવવું બહુ અઘરું હતું, કારણ કે મોન્યુમેન્ટ રિપેરિંગ રિસ્ટોરેશન તો બધા સમજે છે, પણ પ્રિસિંગ ડેવલપમેન્ટ એ લોકો નહોતા સમજતા. અને કમ્યુનિટી સાથેનો આ પ્રોજેક્ટ હોવાથી કમ્યુનિટી આર્કિટેક્ટ બીજા એન્જિનિયર્સ એમની લેંગ્વેજ કમ્યુનિટીને સમજાવી એ પણ અમારા માટે અઘરું હતું.
The public area improvement works were carried out ensuring continuous vehicular access within the port. A new streetlight network, dry hydrant-based firefighting system, and a stormwater collection system with a percolation well were installed. AMC installed a systematic underground network for water and sewage, while a crossover pipe network was also provided for future utilities. The finished road level went 6 inches below to counter the rise of road level over the years. Plain cement concrete (PCC) was done and pavers were carefully installed to divide the road surface into movement and non-movement areas. Multiple agencies like Torrent Power, BSNL and GTPL contributed for the refurbishment of their underground networks for electricity, telecommunication and TV cable respectively. The clutter around the chabutras was removed and plazas were created as open activity spaces. Street lights and accent lighting to enhance the heritage character of the pod and chabutras were installed. Metal casted signages, manhole covers and hanging pots were custom made to enhance the beauty of the streets. Building facades were repainted as well.
અત્યારે કેવું છે કે લોકો બહાર સોસાયટીમાં મકાન લેવા જાય તો પહેલું એ જુએ કે સુવિધા શું છે, પાણીની સુવિધા શું છે, ગંદકી કેટલી છે, એ બધું જોઈ અને પછી લોકો પોતાના મકાન ખરીદે. પણ અત્યારે એને પણ આંટી મારે એવી વ્યવસ્થા અમારી પોળમાં થઈ છે.
HDFC, Indian Oil Corporation, Selco Foundation and Khurana Associates have jointly funded the implementation of this public area improvement project.
The project definitely fascinated us and took some time for us to get it going, because probably this was the first of its kind project we had taken up.
So we decided along with Mahila Housing Trust to relook at preserving it, but in a manner that also showcases history and future sustainability.
We find it extremely satisfying that we are involved in this kind of project.
The community along with the corporation members took an oath to keep the streets clean. That instilled a sense of ownership and pride amongst them.
અમદાવાદ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશન દ્વારા સદરવ પ્રોજેક્ટની વાર્ષિક કે રેગ્યુલર મેન્ટેનન્સ કરવામાં આવશે, તેમજ અન્ય ફ્યુચરમાં ડેવલપમેન્ટ માટે આ જ પ્રોજેક્ટની રેપ્લિકા બીજે પણ યુઝ કરી શકીએ તે પ્રમાણેનું બી અમદાવાદ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશન દ્વારા પ્લાનિંગ કરવામાં આવેલી છે.
MHT has implemented this unprecedented public area improvement project in the pilot stretch of Dhalni Pod through an inclusive process of community engagement. It indicated that sustainable outcomes are possible in the heritage precincts to have a better quality of life. With the learnings of this project, a set of guidelines can be created to not only help improve the precincts of this city but also many other cities across India.